Get this. I mean, look at this. So this spraying operation started right here off the coast of Los Angeles, San Diego. You know, this is when they first started spraying. These are just like the fuel dumps. You know, some have actually retrofitted sprays on them. Look at these. Look at these guys right here. These real long lines that clears up any better. And then you can see the shadows on the ground from the aerosols that are being deployed. These are super long lines. You know, so right now they just look like little skinny lines, but look what happens. Look what they do. They spread out. They spread out and form a huge cloud. These are all man-made, all over Arizona, all over Phoenix. Every bit of this is man-made clouds affecting the weather systems. It's undeniable. You know, and people want to say it's water vapor. I showed you what's in the exhaust. And then you got the actual drones and the planes with the actual sprayers. They're loaded up with the high amounts of cloud seeding materials.